Guns on your neck, pounding on your shoulders. Never shall I be an MC called a wannabe. I am the light, just the way it is. Don't ever forget. Hear about someone else and you know they fit. All in the way, just little obstacles. Chew them up, spit them out just like popsicles. Something's out of the way, we're not on the same wavelength. I show stability, potential, and strength. On the other hand, you are weak and unruly. You never be a spy because you're just a plain stupid.
Oh no, there he comes!
Soup truth, he's talking caca. Move that back. The whole vista, throw my hat, just the result. And my point, just say, we should have been here. Because you fuck with, keep going down, you can't beat. For having on Bruce Lee, your techniques are stale. Of course, you fail. They get the super dope fly, ebony mail. Booey, just do it. Hey, I'm on my car. Hey, that's not good. I just stick with your kick, but y'all make plain. I do the tiger, the snake, the big daddy crack.
On the bloodline is surely like this. Approaching of an UMC is purely hypeness. So I mention it again and again.
It's not necessary.
Those who comprehend my message very clearly, but not along the way of translucent. Throw your hands up for the man's up. Who sent invaders of my fruit basket to a casket? Leaning down away.
See the flux run away.
So as a UMC I ask myself, who could be the leaders? Resembling the stars I follow. And as to find the coolest in me, at a whim who would freeze blue cheese. Spin a 360 on a runway stop, and hear many more than just one set. UNIVRSAL. Go on, cause we gave them all one thought to grow on.
My method is apparent. I see clearly this world's transparent. So I'll reach down deep, deliver salvation to the hands of the weak, the meek, the mild. Then take the wild. Cause that's how I'm styled, the wizard of rhyme. My symbol is AU, and lamest term gold. So watch me shine through a new zoo review coming right at you. And you, Kim is coming through. I grow up because my strength is better too. And rhymes are both, the beat must be my crew. A mental ingredient, all of which is alarming. Not harming, better said disarming. Inside the SAR, yeah, I neutralize your weaponry to make it more appropriate to do with me, and then I give you one to grow on.
I just can't hold back the fold, cause I'm the man with soul. In control and effects, so what the heck? Rock the disco tech and this movie keep that. That's the that's the music with. Full floor is only you want it. I keep the crowd out with my hype. Damn it, don't make it into the mic. Cause I see the difference, see stand still. While I'm stick to you like ship and ship. Feel my blood fist on my death ship. The real solo with, you don't wanna live. So claim in this terror, I reign in terror. When I grab the mic, only think of terror. Fascinating rhyme, the signing the anthem. So let's go sing the Big Daddy anthem. Go with the flow, my rhymes flow like an afro. And if you take the day, that can't enough have no problem. I can see simple of course. Even if I stutter, I will still come off. Cause I can't understand the mics I rip. Make sure y'all made a grip. Everybody can be fit. But my apparatus is up to status. Don't ask who's the baddest. I'm so status. Don't take a break, I take off. I rhyme big the head, put it to bed. I see that. Play things for the type of rearrange control. I'm taking one in the field. They change control. Cause I can kill and feel at will. To the skill that's real, you know real.
Окей, судья говорит stop music. Судья определит. И время мало. Круто. Итак, у нас соревновались две команды. Сборная Татанака Ашбас и Fast Buddies.